Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the sixth question in exercise 7.14. The demand and supply functions are P is equal to 50 minus 8x and P is equal to 5 plus x respectively. Determine the consumer surplus and producer surplus at equilibrium. So what is given to us is the demand function PD is going to be equal to 50 minus 8x and the supply function is going to be equal to PS is 5 plus x. Now they want what is consumer surplus and producer surplus at equilibrium. So at equilibrium, what do we know? We know that demand is going to be equal to the supply. So that is why that is what is reached at equilibrium. So now we can find out what is x naught. So 50 minus 8 x naught, because we need to know what is the units of demand. So this is going to be equal to 5 plus x naught. So let's rearrange. So 50 minus 5 is equal to 8 x naught plus x naught. So 45 is equal to 9 x naught, which means x naught is equal to 5. So the demand or the supply unit is going to be equal to 5 units. Now let's calculate what is P naught. So P naught is going to be 50 minus 8 into 5. So 50 minus 40. So this is going to be equal to 10. So P naught's value is going to be equal to 10. Now let's find out what is consumer surplus. So consumer surplus is integral 0 to x naught 50 minus 8x dx. Then there is going to be a minus x naught P naught. So this is CS is going to be integral 0 to 5 50 minus 8x dx, and then there is a minus 0 into x naught into P naught, which is going to be 5 into 10 50. So let's integrate. So CS is equal to 50x minus 8x squared by 2 between the limits 0 to 5, and then there is a minus 50. So CS is going to be equal to, either way if we simplify, this is 4. So let's apply the upper limits. 50 into 5 is going to be equal to 250 minus 5 squared is 25. 25 into 4 is 100. Then minus lower limit, whatever you put, it is going to be equal to 0. So directly a minus 50. So 250 minus 150, which means your CS is going to be equal to 100. Now the other question that they asked is what is going to be the producer surplus, which is nothing but PS. So let's calculate that. So PS is going to be equal to x naught P naught minus integral 0 to x naught of, in this case it's going to be the supply function, so it is 5 plus x dx. So this is nothing but again 10 into 5, so 50 minus integral 0 to 5 plus x dx. So let's perform the integration. So 50 minus 5x plus x squared by 2 between the limits 0 to 5. So let's substitute. So PS is equal to 50 minus upper limit is going to be 25 plus this is going to be 25 by 2. So now if you look, the lower limit is definitely 0. So we are not going to worry about that calculation. So PS is now is equal to 50 minus 25 is 25. 25 minus 25 by 2, which is nothing but 12.5. So your PS is going to be equal to 12.5. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 7th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.